Congratulations, Russ. This is
Thank
absolutely
you.
amazing. I mean, an absolute stud of a
Good
bull.
health, NG.
One of the most regal antelopes. They are just, I mean, you've got to see them up close to appreciate them. That's just crazy. What a day in Africa.
Those blades might have clipped this long, but it did definitely section it up.
Well, Russ, another day, another trophy. Beautiful old Kuru bull. Walk us through that shot.
I guess he came in and set up pretty well broadside at about 27. We thought he'd get him closer, and then he walked off for a pretty good while, and then came back in after some warthogs came in, and then he looked like he might not hang around and turned broadside and got a little quartering away, and felt like we needed to let it fly right away. Hit him pretty well with the rage.
Yep, yeah, he made a mistake of coming back in when those warthog came to water, and gave you a broadside shot at just shy of about 30 yards. He put that new Rage 4-blade Extreme through him, and man, it cut a tunnel. He went about 150, 180 yards and down. Just a beautiful old, perfectly symmetrical bull. Well done, sir, and a great trophy, and well done on that.
Thank you.
Russ, what a day. I mean, you just completed your spiral slam with this gorgeous Njala bull that we've taken in this thick brush that leads up to this croc infested pond. Walk us through the shot.
Well, we stalked in here by the croc pond and found him in the brush and flushed him out a little bit, took a broadside shot with him walking maybe a little back, and then we found him closer to the croc pond and stood on the edge of the croc pond with NG in between me and the pond, and threw another arrow in him at 20 yards to finish him off. And great bull, great help.
Just an incredible
The
excitement.
and NG have been great, very exciting.
Fantastic, great shooting, and congrats. Wildebeest. I mean, if you're on this side of the animal, you could see this ginormous cut by this Rage 4-blade Extreme. I mean, we literally experienced the lethality of an arrow firsthand now. It's absolutely shocking. Walk us through the shot.
Guess I don't know what to say, except we spotted him with this herd of Lee's buck and got close to him and shot about 42 yards.
Yep.
And caught him kind of far back, but the broadhead saved the day and took him down.
Yeah, it literally sliced the gash almost 5 inches deep. It hadn't gone 100 yards and piled up in a cloud of dust. Absolutely great going. Russ, congrats on another beautiful, beautiful antelope in Africa. That was just absolutely stunning. Just incredibly beautiful animal. Well done, Russ. I mean,
Thanks for your help.
great stuff, sir. Absolutely great.